Hey guys, it's your girl Missy Atkins and I am here at CultureTree. CultureTree is an organisation that promotes and preserves African languages. And if you didn't know, I am a Naija babe. I love everything it is to be Nigerian. I love our food, our culture, our music. But one thing I can't do is speak Yoruba. I can't speak my own mother tongue and it really gets to me. Which is why I have joined CultureTree with their 8-week online Yoruba course. It starts on the 22nd of July and I'm going to be part of it. And because you guys are watching this, CultureTree have a very special offer for you. They are going to give you 1 class for free. So you get 8 classes for the price of 7. And all you need to do is follow all the instructions below and book your online course by the 12th of July. So what are you waiting for? I can't wait to see you at the CultureTree 8-week course. See you there.
But I go spray you the money on your mind.